Hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. This is a follow-up video to the previous one where I just repotted, uppotted, cleaned up my fry deck. This is what we saw, and while I am in the process of doing all the semi-hydro work, I thought it would be a good one to dedicate a single video to my Hoya Wilbur Graves. This plant has been such a beautiful surprise for me. Like, we went from nothing, and this doesn't happen with me ever. It's been 2 years with plants, to coming to something like this. It doesn't happen. Like, all of this growth is new growth, fresh growth, and look at the lovely splashes. And yes, wanted to show this vine and look at the aerial roots on this one. These are like fresh pink aerial roots, and it just continues. And this is a mess. I tried putting a little wire mesh on this one, which is what the plant was on. This plant is in semi-hydro. It has completely gotten out of size, and it's all dried up actually. And I thought it would be a good time to repot this, uppot it, and add some good stakes. The problem with stakes is that we don't get good stakes here. So I have these acrylic ones, the long plastic stakes, and that's what I want to use. And funny thing, a super funny thing, all of that was a single vine. So the top of the plant it actually came with like a base, and out of that base this was one stem which just grew 2 leaves very recently actually, and then this vine took off and on it went. So like, this is like, I think about 1.5 meters. Yeah, and there is a new leaf on this which I saw the other day. Yes, I want to show, because how these leaves start and how they become is so interesting. So look at that. That's how the new leaf comes. Like, it's actually a pale yellowish leaf. Doesn't show on the camera. There's a slightly matured one, and then they become like this, as dark as this. And Hoya Wilbur Graves has these splashes on them which are so beautiful. I love it. Thick leaves. I won't say they're rubbery, which like Hoya leaves are. Like, these are kind of glossy and very clean, which is such a beautiful thing. Technically, I would like splashes to that level. That's the kind of splashes I want, but I'm happy with the fact that it's just growing. So let's remove this from the pot and uppot it. This was in an IKEA pink cover pot, which is now free for some other plant. And I'll move you guys down. Hopefully it should be easy. Oopsie. They've lost all of these roots, but that's fine. It's all dried up. It's so bad. Not taking good care of it at all. It's bone dry right now. So I don't think I want to disturb this. I'll simply repot this without doing more damage to the roots like I did here. There were some leca balls which kind of were stuck in the roots, and that's why they broke. Small. think this should be the right pot size. So I've put leca balls at the bottom, and I went and I washed them up because they had old dead roots. So that's out of the way. I made a fresh batch of some more Sunny Hydro Pon. Let's add that. And then goes the plant. Okay, so I have put this in a bigger pot, and I could have done this a bit better, I feel, but just because I've made a mess, I'm feeling I didn't do it better, but it's okay. So now we're gonna put the stakes. Some space to show you guys. And I'm so happy I managed to do this. It looks so lovely. This is how I wanted it to be. With 2 vertical stakes, I've managed this look. Let me show it properly. So here's the final result. So happy. It's such a big plant now. I think this can be the front facing. Well, it will adjust because right now some leaves are facing the other side, some are the other side. And I need a reservoir for this, which for now will be maybe this. I really need good self-watering containers. If you guys know where to find some good ones in all sizes, that's what I need. Love it. So happy. Hoya Wilbur Graves. Can't believe I could achieve this look. Really can't believe it. I mean, I've seen so many people do this with Hoyas, and you have those beautiful acrylic rainbow shining kind of iridescent stakes and support systems. Love this. Beautiful. Should have done a before after. Speaking of adding support system, really want to do that to my Wonder Boy. That's the newest leaf. It has been a black, like super black in color. Again, the camera doesn't show it, but the idea is to add stakes to this as well. I want the new leaf to be better than like the last one. Let me show you. The last one is so huge. So I want them to have a good cascading effect. So let's put stakes in this. For now, just added a stake for the new leaf and one for the old one, but because it has a grow light on top, it kind of faces upwards, but soon it will be, I think, better. Can shift it to the front maybe. Here we go. Looks fine for now. The mess in here today is undescribable, and though I'm happy, I made a huge mess, but I'm happy that the final look that I got was something very organized and sorted. So yes, that was a small video on Wilbur Graves. I do have a full video on Wilbur Graves, on the history of this plant, on all the conversations, the controversies, and everything about this plant. So do go and watch that as well if you like this one. And I hope you watched this quick video right till the end. If you did, please do like the video. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.